everyone, it's Sam here. It's been a long time since I have done a what did I get, but you will see in the title that I've actually changed it to what I've been sent, because it's changed a lot. And although I'm still buying products, I'm not buying as much because I get a lot sent to me. So I want to be completely transparent. This has all been sent to me. I will share the odd bit when I get it, but like I said, I'll be completely honest, I haven't really found a lot. It's just been the odd bit here and there. A lot of the things I see in charity shops, which is where I used to always find stuff, I still find a lot, but I don't need it anymore. So I leave it for someone else to find and get excited about, because there's tons of craft stuff in the charity shops by me. So there's always something available. But I do pick up like some double-sided tape or some embossing powders and stuff like that, because they're always good to have stocks of. But what I thought I would do is, yeah, I'm going to change it to what I've been sent. And I'm going to try and do one every month. A lot of it will be creative craft products, because I do promote this product and I work for Craft Stash. All of the magazines now, as contributors, we get sent them digitally. So I don't have the hard copy anymore. I'd have to buy that myself. But having the digital copy is quite handy for me, because I can just add it to a folder. So that's one of the reasons why I haven't been sharing magazines, because that's what I would do a lot, is share the magazines if I'd featured in them. So yeah, just lots of things have changed. My also priority in my spare time is now renovating my cottage. So that takes up all of my spare times. So my evenings now, I don't tend to do a lot of card making. I keep that for the daytime. Evenings and weekends are DIY. So just thought I'd do that little instruction and just a little explanation for those of you that enjoyed watching the What Did I Get, because they always got great views and lots of you like to see what I got. But I still think these ones could be good as well, and inspiring. Just a reminder, introducing maybe some of you to a brand new brand as well. So this video is going to be just creative craft products, because there's a lot, you know, from the last What Did I Get video that I did. That's I think it's last year actually. I don't even think I've done one this year. Also, today I saw on the website, which has prompted me to kind of start doing this again, they have up to 50% off tons of product. Now, if you know creative craft products, they are all about your core products, so your nesting dies, your tools, your adhesives and things like that. But they also have some other bits as well, some like fashion pieces. So I'm just going to go through all of these. These ones are all within the up to 50% offer. So some are 50%, some are up to. So do check the prices. And there's even more than what's here. I do have everything that is on site, but you don't need me. It would be like a 3-hour-long video if I was to show you everything. But check the description box if there's, you know, some nesting dies shapes that you're thinking you need, or you just want to treat yourself to something. Have a little look, because their prices are really good as well. That's another thing about creative craft products. They're purse friendly. So start off with these here. Embossing folders, these are $2.99 on site. And like I said, there's some other ones as well, but you've got embossing folders on there. There's stencils on there as well. So they're like your bargain pieces. So you've got a couple of nice designs there. And I have featured everything that you're seeing here. I've done videos on, whether it's on the Craft Stash YouTube channel or on my YouTube channel. I've got a creative craft products playlist. Or if you go over to Craft Stash, just go into their playlist and you'll see, I think they've got a creative craft product one as well. 9 times out of 10, it's myself or it'd be Lou that'd be showing the products. So you've got some embossing folders there. These here, I had duplicates of these. So I did do a video with these, and I have used these. These are really handy, actually. I've made quite a few cards, and they've been like requests from friends. My mum uses these as well. Actually, I'll be completely honest, she's got the duplicate set because she loved them so much. So I've got all these fresh ones here. But these are all your milestone stamp and die sets. So you get your, these are the small numbers, but there's the large ones as well. Those were brilliant. And I shared those in a What Did I Get video. But these are a little bit smaller. You'll see there you've got those nice big numbers, and you've got your shadow die as well. And then you get your little stamp set to sit alongside that. So look at the large and small, because they're both in the offer. The large ones are the whole size of this piece here. So you've got your big 21. They make the whole card shape. And I know quite a lot of you have got them because they get shared in the Mixed Up Crafters group. Probably weekly someone will share one. But you've got every milestone. There is an 18th as well. So you've got 18, 21, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh, there's the 18. 70. 80, 90, 100. And they're really nice. Look at that one. Oh, I'd love to get, I want to get to that age. I'm one of those people. Okay, what else shall I show you? I'll show you some of these ones because these have been really interesting. And these ones here as well. And I've got some of the samples that I've still kept out, which are here. So again, if you've been following me, you'll recognise some of these cards. So I'll just go through them and then I'll show you the dies. But this lovely little tag one here. You've got your shaker little jar. This one, I think, did that one hold a gift card? Oh no, there's another one. But you could put a gift card in there. This I love. I absolutely adore this card. I love the colouring that I did on it. I just think it's so pretty. Then you've got this cute little one here. I think these would make nice little thank you, birthday like party thank yous that you could send out, or even little invitations as well. This was another one I really like. Very fun. This from a distance looks real. I think the mobile phone is brilliant. Oh, I've still got my Hotel Chocolate VIP card in there. So that's a great way to give a gift card. This one here you can put money in. It's your little money wallet. It says surprise. This one you can roll up money. So if you still like to send physical cash, then that's a nice way. We've got this one with the new home. Cute little champagne there. I love this one. I just love the little details. Just adding your little glaze there onto the, what would you call that? Honey spoon? Wooden honey? Maybe, I reckon there's a proper name for it. Let me know. And you got this one. Cheers. You've got your cross here. Really pretty. This one. And then this one here, which I think is brilliant. So it's going to be perfect for this September when the kids go back to school. But it could also be a nice card if your child's about to start school. You could have a nice little message on there. I think it's very, very sweet. And that's a little, I think I added the stopper. But you've got your space on the back there to write your message. So that's the samples. And then these are all the sets. Again, you can see them there. You get different parts as well to build. I just showed some of them there. So again, these are all in the offer. And then you got the cupcake there. These are that's that money holder. You get the butterfly as well. So although I showed the one with the shirt, you have the butterfly option. The house can open up like a gatefold, and then there's those two there. Really nice if you like those cards that kind of do the shapes for you. And then dies. So these are some nesting ones here. There's your normal nested ones as well. So without sentiments, just literally nesting dies. But there's also these nice shapes. So this is your large ornate label. You've got like a tag there, or board label. And these are huge, and that's the thing that's great about the, we say CCP, and that's the size of the dies. So they do massive, the largest size ones are always really big. So again, if you're someone who likes to make those larger cards, then these are great shapes. Stretch label. These are just some of the more obscure shapes, but you've got your standard circles, ovals, DL, slimline, rectangles, squares. They're all there as well. Obviously there's limited stock. Not every single one is there, but there's a lot on there, so check them out. And then what have I got here? Some more, these ones. These are ones that are slightly different. So these are like your mix and match. So these were sentiments as well, because there's stamps available within this offer. And CCP, they do loads of like all of your, like all occasion sentiments and the dies and stuff. There's tons there. You've got this one, so reverse scallop, cross stitch, bric rack, scallop nestables, stitched nestables, deckled nestables, and a bric rack again there. There's also these sets that I saw were on offer. You get them individually. I just put mine all together here. These ones you've got welcome, love, hugs. They're word plates, A2 editions, and you get stamps that come with them all. So you get the stamp, and one of those is in each set. So there's those ones. There's these plates that were on offer, which are these ones here. So again, they're A2 size, really nice if you like having your big die plates as your backgrounds. And then there's these ones. So again, each set comes separately with the stamp. So you've got your happy, friend, and hello. So that's the 6 sets available there across those. Oh, that's the surprise one there that I showed you. And then I noticed these were there as well. I just had them at hand, so I grabbed them. These were the additions to go on the flip card, I think it was, or spin card, because there's lots of cards also on site that so like stepper cards, accordion cards, gatefold cards, there's all those kind of things on there as well. So there is lots and lots. So go and have a little look. Like I said, if you're new to this brand, check it out. And if you want to look for a bargain, then yeah, there's quite a few things over there at the moment. So I am going to get into the habit of doing one of these each month, so what I've been sent, because I get sent licensed products as well. Got tons of all of that, and I know lots of you really enjoy seeing all of those things, and hopefully I'll have samples to sit with them as well, so I'll be able to show you like how they look when they're all made on a card. So as always, thank you for watching today. All the links will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. And the playlist coming up here will be the Creative Craft Product playlist, so you can see all of the other things that I've been making. They'll all be over on that playlist. See you all again soon. Bye.